Good morning, my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with good health. I, Zanna Patel, welcome you all in today's session. Yesterday we learned alphabet Z, right? And the phonic sound for alphabet Z is Z. The phonic sound for alphabet Z is Z, right? Today, once again, we will revise the words that start with alphabet Z. Z for zero. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra crossing. We should always use zebra crossing to cross road. Z for zip. आपकी बैग में जिप होती है ना? Z for zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Z for zucchini. Zucchini is a vegetable. Z for zoo. You can see many animals and birds in the zoo. I hope children you have nicely revised all the alphabet that we have already learnt. Right, and you have also revised the sound of each alphabet. तो बच्चों आपने सारे अल्फाबेट के साउंड अच्छे से याद कर लिए हैं ना? Very good. Now it is activity time. In this activity, children, you have to identify the pictures from the flashcard, right? And then we have to place the right alphabet flashcard related to the picture. Okay, so the first picture is of a jacket, right? Do you wear jacket to protect yourself from cold as winters have started? आप जैकेट पहनते हो, है ना? Very good. अब मुझे ये बताओ जैकेट वर्ड कौन से अल्फाबेट से स्टार्ट होता है? C for jacket? No. J for jacket? Yes. So, we will take this flashcard and place it above the jacket. J for jacket. और मुझे चलो J का साउंड बताओ. J says J. Right. Now, let us see the next picture. क्या है ये? Wow! Yummy, yummy! मैंगो. और मैंगो वर्ड कौन से अल्फाबेट से स्टार्ट होता है? W फॉर मैंगो? नो. M फॉर मैंगो? यस. सो लेट अस टेक द M फ्लैश कार्ड एंड प्लेस इट अबाउ द मैंगो. M for mango. M says ma. Right? Very good. Now let us identify the next picture in the flashcard. What is this? This is a watch. And watch हम क्यों पहनते हैं? Yes, we wear watch on our wrist to see time. Right? So बच्चों मुझे बताओ watch word कौन से अल्फाबेट से स्टार्ट होता है? Yes, you are right. W for watch. So let us take the W alphabet flashcard and place it above the watch. W says wa. W for watch. And which is this last flashcard? What do you see? It is a cup. And cup is having hot chocolate. Yummy, yummy. Hot chocolate inside it. And which card is left? Alphabet card is left? C. Right. So it is C for cup. So let us take alphabet C flashcard and place it above the cup. C says cup. C for cup. I hope children through this activity you have revised alphabet and the words that start with each alphabet. So now we will do practice writing of alphabet Z in our workbook, and we will also draw two pictures related to alphabet Z. Children, please open English class workbook page 72 to write alphabet Z. Today's date is 19th December 2020. Capital Z, small z. Z for zigzag. Okay, so let us trace once again. We will write capital Z first. So, first we will make a sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line, and a sleeping line on the second blue line like this. Capital Z, small z between two blue lines, sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line till second blue line, and sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is our small z. Let us trace once again. Capital Z, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z, small z between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay, so this is our small z. After completing tracing in this line, let us write alphabet Z on our own. First we will write capital Z. We will do a sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line, and once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is our capital Z. Small z between two blue lines, sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line till second blue line, and sleeping line on the second blue line like this. Small z. Let us write once again capital Z, starting from red line, sleeping line, slanting line till second blue line, sleeping line on the second blue line like this. Capital Z. Small z between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. चलो बच्चों, अब यहाँ पर भी लिखेंगे कैपिटल Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z. Small z between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. एकदम easy है ना बच्चों लिखना, है ना? आप तो फटाफट लिख लोगे. फिर से लिखते हैं. ओके, कैपिटल Z from red line to second blue line. Okay, चलो लिखते हैं. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z, small z between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Small z. This is how you will complete writing alphabet Z in your workbook. After writing alphabet Z, let us draw pictures related to alphabet Z. Okay, so first we will draw zigzag pattern, and it is very easy to draw. हम क्या करेंगे पहले बच्चों? Slanting line, go up, come slant down, once again slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down. Easy है ना zigzag draw करना? चलो फिर से एक लाइन बनाते हैं. Slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down. Let us draw one more line of zigzag. Slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down. Our zigzag pattern is ready. Z for zigzag. Now let us draw zebra crossing, and it is very easy to draw children. First हम क्या करेंगे पता है? We will make a standing line like this. फिर थोड़े दूर हम दूसरी एक standing line बना देंगे same height की इस तरह से. Okay? And now what we will do? We will join both the standing lines by drawing a sleeping line. तो चलो बच्चों हम sleeping line बनाते हैं इस तरह से. Slowly आप इस तरह से sleeping line बना देना. बन गई? अब ऊपर से भी इस तरह से बनाते हैं दोनों लाइन को join करने के लिए sleeping line. चलो ये भी बन गई. ओके, अब हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर बीच में हम बनाएंगे standing lines. So starting from here, one standing line, second standing line. वापस से एक बनाते हैं. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन. बन गई हमारी स्टैंडिंग लाइन्स. सो अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें रंग भरेंगे, तभी तो ये ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग बनेगा ना। तो चलो हम ब्लैक कलर लेते हैं। वी विल टेक ब्लैक कलर और हम मार्क कर देते हैं कि हमें ब्लैक कलर कहाँ करना है, ओके। क्योंकि ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग तो कौन से कलर का होता है, वाइट एंड ब्लैक। तो हमें यहाँ पर करना है ब्लैक कलर, फिर ये जगह को छोड़ देना है। देन वी विल डू कलरिंग ओवर हियर, ओके, एंड वी विल लीव दिस स्पेस एंड वी विल डू कलरिंग ओवर हियर. So like this we have to color these 3 columns. Our zebra crossing is ready. Z for zebra crossing, Z for zigzag. After writing alphabet Z in our workbook, now we will write alphabet Y and alphabet Z in our notebook. Today's date is 19th December 2020. Alphabet Y and Z. Let us write capital Y. From first red line to first blue line slanting line. On the other side, from first red line to second blue line, one more slanting line. This is our capital Y. Now we will write small y, and that we will start from first blue line. Between 2 blue lines, slanting line like this, and on the other side, from first blue line to second red line, slanting line like this. This is our small y. Let us write once again, from first red line to first blue line, slanting line. On the other side, from first red line to second blue line, one more slanting line, capital Y. Small y, we will start from first blue line to second blue line, slanting line, and on the other side, from first blue line to second red line, slanting line. This is small y, capital Y, small y. This is how you have to write alphabet Y in the first column. After writing alphabet Y, let us write alphabet Z. To write capital Z, we will make a sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line from first red line to second blue line, and a sleeping line on the first blue line, capital Z. Small z between 2 blue lines, sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line from first blue line to second blue line, and sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is small z. Let us write once again, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, capital Z, small z, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, small z. This way you have to complete writing alphabet Z in this column. Nicely learned all about alphabet Z, right? तो बच्चों, आपको alphabet Z लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, और अब तक हमने जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट सीखे हैं वह सारे अल्फ़ाबेट के साउंड आपको अच्छे से याद कर लेने हैं, राइट? तो आप करोगे ना अच्छे से याद अल्फ़ाबेट साउंड को? यस, वेरी गुड. सो I will see you soon. Till then, bye my lovely ones. Take good care of yourself. Stay fit. Bye.